Elephants. Can you imagine a world without them? And yet, we're losing them. More than 90% of Africa's elephants are already gone. Killed by poachers, illegal trade, and conflict. Thousands of elephants are in danger of death and extinction. Baby elephants like Amira are in the greatest danger. She was barely alive when we found her. An IFAW team rushed Amira to our elephant nursery, where she received the loving care that saved her. Amira is getting stronger every day, but she has a long journey ahead. We will be with her every step of the way, thanks to the support of caring friends like you. You can save elephants and other endangered animals we love by joining IFAW, the International Fund for Animal Welfare. Call now or go to joinifaw.org to become a champion for animals and save lives. For just $19 a month, only 63 cents a day, you can help rescue, heal, and protect endangered animals and give elephants like Amira a chance at a new life.
This is an extraordinary moment where you see the emotion between a rescued elephant that's just come in and an elephant that's been rescued in the past.
It only takes $19 a month, just 63 cents a day to provide the life-saving care elephants and other endangered animals need. Use your credit card and get this special IFAW Team t-shirt to show you're helping rescue, feed, and care for suffering animals and return them to safe habitats. Sadly, elephants are being slaughtered every single day. That's why IFAW needs your help more than ever to save them before it's too late. Please call now or go to joinifaw.org today with your monthly gift of just $19. Your support will save lives.